Hello everyone, this is Reena Pandey and you are welcome to Prodigy IAS. Ever wondered what happens when forests are cut down for highways, factories or big projects? क्या ये जंगल वापस आते हैं या सिर्फ कागजों पे ही रह जाते हैं? That's where compensatory afforestation steps in. In simple words, अगर जंगल काटा गया है तो नया जंगल लगाना ही पड़ेगा. Sounds fair, right? But wait, the real story is just beginning. The government has a rule. If a forest is destroyed for development, an equal area of non-forest land must be afforested. It's for this reason CAMPA was formed. Plus, the project developers must pay for the loss of the ecosystem services like clean air, water, conservation and carbon absorption. ये फीस कहलाती है नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू और एनपीवी और इसे वसूला जाता है उन कंपनियों से जो जंगल काटती हैं. Sounds great in theory, right? But here comes the twist. CAMPA, Compensatory Afforestation Fund Management Planning Authority, the agency responsible for managing these funds, was recently audited. And guess what? The money meant for afforestation was diverted elsewhere. Uttarakhand's forest divisions, instead of planting trees, use these funds for other activities. अब सवाल उठता है कि क्या कागज पर जंगल उगाने से हमारा एनवायरनमेंट बच पाएगा? But here's the silver lining. The Forest Rights Act 2006. This law gives power to tribal and forest dwelling communities to conserve and manage their own forest. अब जंगल की जिम्मेदारी उन्हीं के हाथ में होती है तो नतीजे शानदार होते हैं. Panchgaon village in Maharashtra is a perfect example of this. After receiving their community forest rights, they turned their forest into an economic powerhouse, earning from sustainable bamboo harvesting while protecting the environment. Let's ensure afforestation happens in reality and not just on paper. Stay tuned for more updates at the rate of Prodigy IAS.